Hi guys, welcome to 7 days of yoga for a flat belly. So this is a series that's been made on popular demand. This is going to be 7 days of videos which are just 10 minutes each. You can do one every single day if you want, or you can even repeat the same video with a minute's break or 2 minutes break in between. Again, it's just 10 minutes, or you can get it added on to your existing yoga practice if you've been practicing yoga already. So this series is going to help you lose weight as well. It's short and sweet, so even if you're someone pressed on time, it's the perfect solution for you. We hope you enjoy it. Let us know in the comments how it goes for you. And we'll see you for day 1 on the mat. If you've not checked out our channel or not yet subscribed, do click on the subscribe button as well. And check out our other playlists. We have 30 days of yoga. We send out monthly calendars. The link to that is in the description below. So just check it out. We are happy to have you here. Join us here with us. We'll see you on the mat for day 1. May you stay fit and calm.